the hardest work it's ever been to get through a slab. I probably took a little too much off it to start. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beauty. Actually, that's not too bad what I took off there. Here's some of your beetle damage here. Okay. See what's up underneath.